Today's recipe is a recipe from the by-lanes of Mumbai. The name you may ask? Masala cheese bread, also known as masala cheese pav colloquially. Let's begin. Well, legend has it that in the nooks and crannies of Dockyard, there was a vendor who collected leftover vegetables literally from all the restaurants across Dockyard and converted that into a sabzi. He slathered some butter, served it on a tawa with some pav, and there came in Pav Bhaji. Well, for the ones who were literally lazy and wanted this Pav Bhaji on the go, created this recipe called the Masala Pav. Today's recipe is exactly that. First things first, let's begin with a pan on high flame. Let's begin with a couple of chiplets of salted butter, which really in the true sense is the magic of this recipe. Let's add in roughly cut red onions. Onions will begin to cook, turn translucent and begin to wilt. Once this kind of just begins to turn golden brown in color, let's add in finely cut capsicum. Saute this slightly and add in salt as required, remembering the fact that butter also had salt. Time to add in Pav Bhaji Masala. Let's add in some Red Chilli Powder, this time for color, some amchur for that zing in the recipe, some home ground Garam Masala. Let's mix this well. Now a masala is done and ready. You can do two things here. You can either cool this down at this point in time and refrigerate it so that you can refresh it and serve it when your guests arrive. Two, at this stage, you add in the bread, toss it over once, twice and serve it. So one recipe that gives you literally multiple recipes. Let's now add in the sliced bread, white in this case. Let's flip this over. And finally, after a couple of flips, processed cheese. Grate this generously. With this, ladies and gentlemen, masala cheese bread is done and ready. Let's transfer this on a plate. Now you have a couple of options. You either look for this on the menu at a Pav Bhaji stall. 2, if you're a favorite, you'll get this complimentary. And 3, now you have a full-fledged recipe for yourself. Make this for yourself and also for your family and friends. This is me, Varun Namdar, signing off. Bye for now.